In the heartland of America, a tradition as old as the country itself is celebrated every 13th of May, National Apple Pie Day, a tribute to a dessert that has become synonymous with American culture. But why this specific date? To find out, we need to delve into the rich tapestry of our history. The first recorded apple pie recipe dates back to the 14th century England, but it was in the American colonies where this dessert truly found its home. The colonists planted apple trees and put their own spin on the English recipe, creating a dessert that was uniquely American. Fast forward to the 1900s during World War II, when soldiers were often quoted saying they were fighting for mom and apple pie, further ingraining this dessert into the fabric of our national identity. So why May 13th? It's speculated that this date was chosen due to the seasonality of apples. May is when apple blossoms start to appear, signaling the beginning of a new apple season. So, as the apple blossoms bloom, we celebrate National Apple Pie Day, a day dedicated to a dessert that has become an emblem of American tradition and culture.